Good morning, children. Class 7D Computer Chapter Introduction to DBMS. Okay, students. Now open in computer book chapter number Introduction to DBMS, chapter number 7, and you will open page number 79. Okay, student. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Access. What is Microsoft Access? We will discuss about it. Let's start. First point, most popular, and second point, most powerful. Children, Microsoft Access is the most popular and most powerful relational database management system. It means MS Access, most powerful, most popular, and this is RDBMS application. You should remember what is the RDBMS full form. RDBMS full form is Relational Database Management System. Children, you should know about it. It is a part of MS Office. You know already MS Office. It has MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, and MS PowerPoint. So Microsoft Access is one of them. Okay, next point, part of MS Office. Then after that, graphical user interface. Children, it has a graphical user interface. It means on screen you can see icons and click on icons, double click on icons. You can see on the screen many pictures and you can use this. So this is graphical user interface. Okay, next number, your next point is organize and manipulate. Your Access can organize and manipulate the data. So vast of data, it is very important part of MS Access. It means it is used to organize and manipulate a large amount of data efficiently. So next point, to create a relationship between table. Access can create relationship between table. It works between the table. It organizes data in the form of table. It provides the facility to create a relationship between these table by using the common fields. So the meaning of organize and manipulate. Next point, to create a relationship between table. Next, prevent the duplication of data. Children, in MS Access there is a one option that name is a duplication of data. A relational database enables to prevent the duplication of data. Next point, add, update, delete data. Access can add data, update data, and delete data. So this is the very important part of MS Access. Another important feature of MS Access is that you can add, update, delete, and view the data by using form. View the data. After completing, children, to create relation done, and then prevent the duplication, update, delete data, and now next point, view the data. What is the view the data? It means suppose that you have completed your work in MS Access. Now you can see your data, your table, your form, your report. Then you can use view the data. It means you can see of the data in MS Access. This is the very important facility in MS Access. Next point, retrieve data. Children, after completing your file, after completing your work, then sometimes you need your file and your information in MS Access in the vast amount of data. You can retrieve the data. It means you can get the data. Suppose that you want to get one data and the data is name is Mohan, address is Raebareli, then you will write name and address, then it will search and you will get this data in MS Access. Next point, to print the data. It means next point, to print the data. It means after completing your work, you can print your data on the page, right? To understand your work, your matter, you can print the data on your page with the help of MS Access. So this is very important things in MS Access. Next point, popular RDBMS are Sybase, Oracle and MySQL. Students, Access is, you know already, MS Access is popular and most powerful application, RDBMS application. Here some example of popular RDBMS: Sybase, Oracle and MySQL. So these are example of RDBMS database software. Children, these are the points of MS Access. I hope you have understood. Now we will see next point. Your next point is components of Microsoft Access 2019. Children, when you will open MS Access in your computer, then you will see on screen MS Access window. On MS Access window, you will see there are different components. Before learning about the various functions of Microsoft Access, let us get familiar with the various components of the Microsoft Access. Children, I am showing your Microsoft Access screen. This is the screen of Microsoft Access. So, we will understand about components one by one. So first of all, we will see about the title bar. This is the title bar. As you know already about the title bar, you have studied MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So same as here title bar. So I am telling to you where is title bar. I am showing the screen. Check here title bar. Children, the top bar of the MS Access screen, where is the top bar? This bar. This is the top bar. It means this is the title bar. Title bar shows document name. Yeah. You can see here file name, document name, and so this is the title bar. It is located top of the window. Okay children, now next point we will see. Your next point is a quick access toolbar. On your MS Access window screen, where is the quick access toolbar? Okay, look on the screen, quick access toolbar. This is quick access toolbar. You can see here quick access toolbar. This toolbar is present at the top left corner of the quick access toolbar. You can see here, this is a quick access toolbar. And about the quick access toolbar, it contains the most frequently used command buttons such as save, undo and redo. Children, when you will see in quick access toolbar, then you will see some important buttons, frequently used buttons like save button, undo button, redo button. So this is a quick access toolbar. Now children, look next point. Your next component is ribbon. This is the ribbon. And now search here, where is ribbon? Look here, this is a ribbon. This is ribbon. I am telling to you where is ribbon. Ribbon, this rectangular box from here to here, total, this is a ribbon. This part is a ribbon. So you are to know about the ribbon and what is the work of ribbon. Actually, it has the various tabs, each with several groups of relevant commands. Some tabs appear when you work with certain objects like forms. Such tabs are called contextual tab. Children, you are to know about it. Actually, ribbon is divided into three parts. You are to know about the ribbon. You can see here home, create, and there are many tabs here. So a ribbon is divided into three parts. First number tab, second number groups and third number command. So where is tab? These are the tab: home tab, file tab, home tab. Suppose that you have clicked on the home tab, then you will see in the home tab there are many groups. View groups. Where is view groups? View groups, clipboard group, short and filter groups, record groups. So these are groups. Okay. Then where is command? In clipboard group you will see cut, copy, paste. These are command. And in short and filter you will see some commands: ascending, descending and selection, advanced. These are command in the group of short and filter. And same here, next group is record. In this there are many commands: refresh all, save, delete. So these are command. So children, I told you already, ribbon is divided into three parts: tab, group and command. So this is ribbon. Now next point, tell me what you want to do. Where is this component? Look on your screen, tell me what you want to do. Look here, this is. Okay students, it means it can be used to get quick help on topics that you are looking for or the commands that you want to use in the application. It means you can take any help. You can take any help related work from here. Tell me what you want to do. This is the work of this button. Okay student, next point. Your next point is navigation pane. Where is navigation pane? Look on the screen. You can use your book also. Navigation pane. This is navigation pane. Okay, I think you can see navigation pane. And student, what is the navigation pane? This pane is present on the left side of the access window. When you will see on the access window, then you can see it is located left side of the access window, navigation pane, right? And about the navigation pane, it displays the name of the object used in the database like table, queries, forms, report. It means this is navigation pane. In the navigation pane, when you will open anything, here you are opening table, now you are opening queries, you are opening form. After opening, you will see here these objects. So you can say this is navigation pane. If you want to know about the database, then you will see here table, queries, forms, reports. So this is navigation pane. Now children, look next point. Object tab. Next component is object tab. And now look on the access screen, where is object tab. Okay children, this is object tab. You can see on the screen object tab here, and here is one tab is showing. What is object tab? First of all, you should know the location of this on the screen. Okay children, this is the object tab. Actually, object tab, you can see here the object that you have opened in a database appear right above the work area in a tabbed form. Clicking on any tab displays the content in the work area. Children, you can see here this is a object tab, and I am telling to you this is object tab. And when you open next database, then you can see here next object tab, then next object tab. Okay, after opening this. So clicking on any tab displays the content in the work area. To close the current tab, click on the close button on the right end of the bar. Suppose that children, you want to close any object tab, then you will see here close button. You are to click here for closing. So this is object tab, and you can see and you can use your book to see the object tab. And next point, status bar. Now look status bar on MS Access screen. It is located bottom side of the window. Status bar. Children, you can see this. This is a status bar. Actually, this bar is located at the bottom of the window. You are looking here. This is the bottom of the window. This window. This is a status bar. On its extreme left, it displays the name of the current view. You can see here current view on the status bar. And on its right, it displays two view buttons, data sheet view and design view. Children, in MS Access there are two view, data sheet view and second is design view. So you can see here right side here view buttons you can see. So there are two buttons here, first data sheet view and second design view. Clicking on it, you can see your database in this view. And one point more, navigation toolbar. Children, I am telling to you navigation toolbar here. This is navigation toolbar. There are many toolbar here. As the name suggests, it helps in navigating through the records. It also displays the current records number of an object. Children, here you can see number of objects and record number in navigation toolbar. So these are the components of MS Access window, and now you can use your book for looking MS Access screen, page number 80, heading Components of Microsoft Access 2019. Okay children, now your work, you are to read your book and this heading and try to understand to this and complete it.